Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix we could not verify your address, we could not clear your zip code with your state. Please review. So guys, if you have this type of problem when you have added your billing address on your Apple ID or on your App Store and facing this type of issue, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's get started. So guys, first of all, you need to check your state, that what state you have selected here. For example, you have selected here Guam. So guys, now you have to go back and guys, you need to open an internet browser. And guys, from here you need to select your state. And guys, here you need to write your zip code. And guys, you have to wait. And guys, now you can see the zip code is 96799. So guys, you have to go back and guys, here you need to write your correct zip code, that is 96900, 967 and double nine. So guys, after this you have to click on next, and guys, now your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.